Here's an in-depth comparison between the pros and cons of Blockbox AI and Microsoft Copilot AI. To get started, Blockbox AI is a specific tool that helps developers generate code snippets. It also helps find potential improvements and fix coding errors for developers, becoming the better tool for debugging. However, it generates codes that are closely similar to existing open source codes without attribution. It might risk copyright. On the other hand, Microsoft Copilot AI is more focused on integrating with Microsoft Office applications. It's the better AI when it comes to increasing productivity within Microsoft Office applications, but has less flexibility with outside tasks. In general, Blockbox AI is more specialized with code generating and debugging, while Microsoft Copilot AI is better for automation.